The Toyota CHR reveals Toyota's fun side while staying true to sensibility, offering a delightful blend of comfort and excitement in its driving experience, coupled with an efficient hybrid engine. This stylish family car invites you to follow both your heart and your head when making a purchase. From the get-go, the CHR earns admiration for its chic design. While some alternatives might lack flair, the Toyota stands out as a genuinely cool and eye-catching vehicle. The C-shaped headlights exude a concept car vibe, and the illuminated CHR logo in the rear lights adds a touch of sophistication. Opt for the two-tone paint option, and the CHR becomes downright funky, easily mistaken for a luxury car from Toyota's sister brand, Lexus. The interior, though not as extravagant as the exterior, boasts a well-crafted design. The cabin exudes a smart and functional aesthetic, with a snappy and basic yet effective infotainment display that includes integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium touches like the climate control switches and soft suede effect trim on top-spec models elevate the overall feel, although the back may not match the same level of quality with its cheap plastics. While the CHR offers reasonable space, especially for town driving, some may find rear knee room tight and taller drivers a bit cramped. Despite these considerations, the comfort level shines through, smoothly absorbing potholes and providing an enjoyable experience on twisty roads. The only hiccup comes from the engine's noise, but with the 1.8-liter version showing impressive fuel efficiency at 56 mph, it's a small trade-off for frugality. Navigating town roads is where the CHR excels, thanks to its hybrid engine prioritizing electric power. The upcoming plug-in hybrid promises even more versatility. Despite somewhat chunky rear pillars affecting visibility, safety features like blind spot monitoring and a reversing camera, along with parking sensors, help in tight spots. On the highway, the CHR transforms into a refined cruiser, offering comfort with minimal wind and tire noise. However, the engines, particularly the 1.8-liter, can get loud under acceleration, although the overall driving experience remains satisfactory. Turning attention to the interior, the CHR boasts a cool cabin design, especially with the large and responsive infotainment display on higher trims. The physical switches for climate control provide a satisfying tactile experience. However, the rear lacks the same upscale feel, featuring scratchy plastics and a less comfortable atmosphere. Under the hood, the CHR offers two self-charging hybrid engines, a popular 1.8-liter option and a more powerful 2.0-liter, the latter being the preferred choice for a better driving experience. In terms of safety, the CHR comes well equipped, although some warnings may be a bit intrusive. As for reliability, Toyota's stellar reputation adds peace of mind, supported by the brand's impressive warranty, making the CHR a reliable and sensible choice in the family SUV market. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Car Gaze channel.